Most travel hacks you see online are either outdated, fake, or only work once. But over years of traveling, I discovered a set of travel hacks that actually work consistently and save real money, time, and stress. These aren't influencer tricks. These are the strategies experienced travelers quietly use every trip, and some of the later hacks on this list will completely change how you plan travel forever. Let's start with the ones almost nobody talks about. Hack number 1, never search flights while logged into airline accounts. Most people don't realize this, but airlines track behavior. If you keep checking the same route while logged in, prices can quietly creep up. Search logged out. Use incognito. Compare freely without leaving a digital trail. Hack number 2, search flights one way, not round trip. Round trips feel convenient, but they often hide cheaper options. Mixing airlines on one-way tickets can slash prices, especially on international routes. This single trick has saved travelers hundreds without changing dates. Hack number 3, book flights on a laptop, not your phone. Mobile apps prioritize speed and convenience, not savings. Some airlines and booking platforms show slightly higher prices on mobile because they know you're more likely to book fast. Serious searches belong on a desktop. Hack number 4, avoid searching flights late at night. Prices often reset or drop early morning US time. Late-night searches tend to show inflated inventory when fewer deals are released. Check prices in the morning. That's when airlines quietly adjust fares. Number 5, the cheapest flight is rarely the shortest. Most travelers filter for the fastest route and overpay without realizing it. A longer layover, even by just a few hours, can cut ticket prices by hundreds. Time is flexible. Your money should be protected. But flights are only part of the game. Hotels are where most people unknowingly lose the most money, and the next hacks are where the real savings begin. Hack number 6, never book city hotels too far in advance. For major cities, prices often drop closer to check-in. Hotels would rather discount rooms than leave them empty. 2 weeks out is often the sweet spot, especially outside peak events. Hack number 7, always check the hotel's own website. Booking and Expedia are great for discovery, not loyalty. Once you find a hotel you like, go direct. Hotels frequently offer lower rates, free breakfast, late checkout, or room upgrades when you skip third-party fees. Hack number 8, stay one train stop outside the city center. Most tourists overpay to be central. Move just one stop out, and prices can drop dramatically while your commute barely changes. In cities with strong public transport, this is one of the biggest money savers. Hack number 9, travel Sunday through Thursday when possible. Hotels make their real money on weekends. Midweek stays are quieter, cheaper, and often come with better service. Same room, same bed, lower price. Hack number 10, ask for upgrades after check-in, not before. Once rooms are assigned, front desk staff know what's available. A polite request at the right moment can turn a standard room into something far better at no extra cost. But this is where travel gets really interesting. Transportation is where most people bleed money without realizing it. Hack number 11, always check the airport train before taking a taxi. In most major cities, airport rail links are fast, safe, and dramatically cheaper even late at night. You skip traffic, avoid surge pricing, and arrive right in the city center. Hack number 12, never rent a car at the airport if you can avoid it. Airport locations bake in extra fees. Rent from a downtown branch or train station, and prices often drop 20 to 30% for the exact same car. Hack number 13, do a walking tour on day 1. Most are free or tip-based, and they pay for themselves fast. Guides reveal shortcuts, transport tricks, local routes, and areas tourists should avoid, saving you money for the rest of the trip. Hack number 14, travel with carry-on luggage only. Checked bags cost more than money. They cost time, flexibility, and options. Carry-on travelers move faster, rebook easier, and avoid surprise fees. Hack number 15, public transit is the cheapest option, if you know the rules. Many cities offer multi-day or tourist passes that aren't clearly advertised. Buy the right pass, and unlimited transport can cost less than 2 taxi rides. And now comes the section that separates casual travelers from smart ones. Hack number 16, buy travel insurance after you book your flights, not before. Insurance should match your actual trip dates, destinations, and activities. Buying too early often leaves gaps in coverage, especially for cancellations, delays, or medical claims. Hack number 17. Never use airport currency exchange booths. They look convenient, but the rates are among the worst in the world. You lose money before your trip even starts. ATMs or card payments almost always give better value. Hack number 18. Be cautious with unsolicited help. If a local approaches you offering directions, shortcuts, or special deals, politely decline. In most cities, the safest advice isn't volunteered, it's asked for from official staff or verified sources, and the final two hacks are the most powerful and the most ignored. Hack number 19. Slow down. Most travelers try to see too much in too little time. Fewer cities mean fewer transport costs, fewer hotel changes, and far less stress. Staying longer in one place unlocks better prices, deeper experiences, and a rhythm that makes travel actually enjoyable. Hack number 20, the most powerful one of all. Flexibility beats planning. The travelers who spend the least and experience the most are the ones who leave room for opportunity. They don't lock themselves into rigid schedules. They stay open to last-minute deals, local recommendations, and unexpected upgrades. Flexibility turns average trips into unforgettable ones. Creates space for better prices, better experiences, and better stories. Travel doesn't reward perfection. It rewards patience, awareness, and the willingness to adapt. If even one of these hacks surprised you, imagine what you're missing right now. Most people think travel is expensive, when in reality, they're just using outdated rules. In my next video, I reveal the cheapest countries to travel in 2026, places where your money goes twice as far, where meals cost less than coffee at home, and the experience still feels premium. Some of these destinations cost less per day than staying in your own city. Watch that video next, because once you see where smart travelers are going in 2026, you'll never plan travel the same way again.